I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Tosa and you are welcome to today's video. In this video, I am going to be installing a Kinky coil clips in on my hair. I'm gonna show you guys step-by-step process on how I did this, so make sure you stick to the end of this video. This is the hair. I got this from the beauty supply. You can find this in any hair store. They cost about $27 and something, about $28 for each pack. I got 2 packs because I wasn't sure if one was gonna be enough, but so I'm gonna start off by taking my bun out and then try to put some rough braids on. You don't really have to do much on your hair to put these clips on. They basically can just clips right on your hair without braiding them, but my hair just doesn't match with the hair, so that's why I'm gonna like make some rough braids and just clip them on. But really, you don't have to do anything to your hair to put these clips on. They can just fit in just the way it is. Also, if you do wish to like braid your hair before you put them on, you can just do quick braids on. They don't have to be really neat. You can also do it really neat if you want to, but I was just in a hurry to really put this on and didn't even have time to like get my braids on. So this is what I did for mine. I just do some rough braids on and just okay, let's just go. I also had a piece of hair in the front because I kind of want to put that on top of the clips so it kind of like blends with my hair. I'm gonna go with the pack and just open it up. This is what it looks like. It's 4C curly afro. You can put these clips whatever style that you want to put it on. I'm gonna be doing a center part, a middle part for this one, so you can actually choose any style you want to do. So it has different inches. It has a 3, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 12, I believe. So I'm gonna start off by putting the 3 first in the back and then work my way all the way to the front. Let me know if you like this video. If you're enjoying it, leave a like, leave your comment down below. Don't forget to also subscribe. Let's just get into it. I'm gonna start off by inserting the 3 inches one on the back and then work my way all the way to the top.
Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you want to hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies you tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate. She is on a route. Never seen it like this. Didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way. She's not here to play. She'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else. I'm not myself, no. Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. Cause you can't even hold your own. But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends. Tell them that you're gonna be late. Cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. So yeah. I don't need your help. I don't need your help. You should help yourself. There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna. Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help? If you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt. Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend. Cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything.
After I'm done inserting the hair, I am going to go on and apply my curly mousse from Merely Organic. This came with my wash day product, so I'm gonna use this mousse for my hair to make it curly and kind of like blends with the clips in hair.
Left behind or within it. If you're sinking or swimming, existing or living. Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. But we could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want.
You can also use any curly hair product that you have for this pack. It doesn't have to be the mousse. You can use any curly hair product. You can use your hair gel if that's what works for you. You can totally use any product on this part.
You could say anything, but it could mean everything. Cause you said it to the right person and they needed the compliment. But isn't it sickening? You could say you're in love with them, but it won't mean anything at all. But that's not your fault. Life's funny like that. You lose one thing, get another one back. You thought you knew, but it wasn't a fact. Know them your whole life, but it was all an act. There's no meaning, but like in the best of ways, you could go 100 days without really doing anything and still have the right to say, I'm so incredible, oh yeah, I'm lovable. Cause it's not in the performance, no, there's nothing that you owed them. So feel no need to explain, I'll say it all again. Now you don't have to show them anything. I know it's so frustrating, can't take yourself out the equation. Can't wait longer than your own patience. Can't wait longer than your own patience. Like you're here waiting until you're not. Can't remember what you forgot. You can't take yourself out the equation. Life's funny like that. You lose one thing, get another one back. You thought you knew, but it wasn't no fact. Know them your whole life, but it was all an act. There's no meaning, but like in the best of ways, you could go 100 days without really doing anything and still have the right to say, I'm so incredible, yeah, lovable.
You can see how the mousse kind of like blend my hair to match this hair. Yeah, you can even tell the difference. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to finish this and start rocking it. I 100% love it. If you're thinking about trying on clips on your hair, this is it. You gotta go for it because this is beautiful. I love it.
Is it true? You actually think of me as less.
And also, if you have short hair, this will also work for your hair. Your hair don't have to be long before you can put on clips on. It can work on the short hair as well.
Nothing is everlasting, no. But like really though, how do you know that I can overcome all of the obstacles? She just looked me in the eye, said it's gonna be alright. Cause I know that's how it goes. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever. Forever. No, it won't, cause no one ever does. You just have to learn and learn to trust. Whenever as blue as the sky above you, it's true.
And no, they will not fall off. Once they are on, they are on. I tried to put these clips out and they didn't come off, so don't be scared that if you clip them on they're gonna fall off. They do not fall off, trust me, they don't.
Same thing. It doesn't feel real when they all say it's the same rules when you play, when you know that's not the case. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn to trust whenever. As blue as the sky above you, it's true that it won't end this way.
You can also add as much air as you want to, depending on the how full you want it to be. I don't like mine too full because it is so hot out and I don't want to get too hot with this so much air on my head. So you can actually make yours fuller, shorter. You can trim it the way you want it. You can just do anything you want with this air. It's just the perfect thing to like have that you can make to fit whatever style you want it to be. So I love it.
My shoulder, worrying there's no one there who cares like I do. I really wanna feel free, but I'm worried I will lose me. Somewhere along the road, I'll start feeling cold, get caught up in something old and spin further down the rabbit hole. Down to go, down to go. Logically, I know I shouldn't feel this way, but my body doesn't agree with my brain. I'm looking over my shoulder.
So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this. This is the final look. It's super cute. I like it. Also, I ended up using just one of the packets. I didn't even touch this, so this is just one that is on my hair right now. It's just one pack, so we're gonna save this for next time. This is super cute. I enjoy it. I love it. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, leave your comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
'Cause I'm looking